TMC TV. My name is Aluke, and right now we're there for World Habitat Day 2022 Roadwalk celebration, when Ministry of Physical Planning, Housing, Urban and Regional Development they do for Benin City to celebrate World Habitat Day 2022 when you get the team Mind the Gap, Leave No One Behind. This joint part of the efforts of the ministry to do talk with Edo people to sensitize them about the importance of taking care of their environment and taking care of the land and their surrounding around them. Make we bring a more story from this roadwalk.
World Habitat Day might be the first Monday of October every year. Where say make we stop, look at our environment. Make we look at our environment as it be. If it's dirty, we're supposed to be clean am. Where we supposed to build, how we supposed to build, and how we supposed to keep our place. So that the earth will still remain for us to continue to use. If you want build, if you want buy land, anything you want to make you use sense, do am. If you want to buy land, before you pay, make you go check say the land na genuine land o. Not say you don spend your money finish, you come dey come meet government, say person don take your money. Before you buy land, just go there, go check whether the land dey genuine or not before you spend your money. Another thing be say, if you want to build, also make sure say you get approval, because na for approval they go come check whether wetin you dey build na the right place. You no supposed to build for right of way. You no supposed to build for government land. You no supposed to build for moat. You no supposed to build for floodplain. You no supposed to build other high tension. All those things dey. And if rain dey fall, make you no carry your dirty put inside gutter. Na im dey block all the drain wey dey Benin City and na im dey for Edo State. So we come to tell una say government dey here to work with una. Make we plan Edo to become the Edo of our dreams. Edo before, they be a plant place, Benin City na plant town. So we want to go back to as we did before, make everything go orderly. Now make government dey do 2 master plans now. The Edo Regional Development Plan and the Benin City Master Plan. And the thing na to make sure say our city dey organized. Make it sound like obodo oyibo, where all of us, make the people sabi travel well. As we dey travel, they still find things. So as we dey travel, we want to bring those five things from Benin. Now we stand there to tell una say, this World Habitat Day, the thing na mind the gap, leave no one or place behind. So we need to engage our people, make sure that they are aware. So each person gets responsibility for your environment. Each person gets responsibility for your habitat. Not the only government go do the work. Now all of us go join hands together. Do this work. Make we make Edo great again. Now make we come here today to come tell you say this World Habitat Day na to stop. Make we look at ourselves, look at our environment. Make sure say as we want am, now we go put our hand do am.
People, we're sitting on top of the World Habitat Day 2022, and yes, we don't carry waka pass first, we don't carry waka pass Akpakpava, we don't go ring road to Chukmount, or the importance of taking care of your environment, or the importance of knowing the land when they buy, and they come to Chukmount for the Edo Regional Master Plan and the Benin City Master Plan. Right now, we're there, Zoti, still they spread the word of the World Habitat Day 2022. This is TMC TV. My name is Aluke Ajakaye.
As una know, on the 3rd of October, na im be World Habitat Day. World Habitat Day, they celebrate on the first Monday of every October. Now they celebrate am. And at that day, na the day when people say, make we stop, make we look our environment, make we look our habitat, so that the habitat go continue to dey as we dey. And you know say habitat wey they talk about na the earth, na be the habitat. So we when they inside, una know say earth no dey grow. So we when they inside, we dey grow. So we need to make sure say the land continue to remain for us to fit use am. So the things we need to do now to make sure so we dey conscious of our environment. Anything we dey do, make we remember say go affect the environment. For example, if you cut all the tree comot, one day we fit not fit breathe again. You understand? If you wan build, you got to make sure say that the right place now you dey build put. If you want to buy land, make sure say that the right land now you dey buy. Where you dey stay, keep your environment clean. No dey pour dirty for gutter. If you anywhere dirty, pack the dirty, keep am make dem come carry am. Small things. If you see something dey happen, person dey build for your street, talk am. When you see something, say something, so that Benin City and Edo State go be the way we want am. So now make we go outside today say our government not be government wey dey sit down for inside office dey wait for una. No, we dey waka come meet una. Because now we wan bring governance to the people. Make people get trust for government, know say wetin we talk na we dey do. So now make we waka today, stop for particular places, follow people talk, answer their question. Anything wey they want, when they worry, they make they try tell us. The one we go carry go tell people. Other ministries follow us for this waka, not be only us now waka. So make them to also hear what people they talk, and from there we go sit down, do with the thing where we supposed to do for our people. So now make we they celebrate this World Habitat Day today. When they talk say mind the gap, leave no one or place behind. So all the gap when they make you remember say then they there, make we try to close them. And we could not leave any place or anybody behind.
As you know, first Monday of October is World Habitat Day. And the ministry thought it wise to celebrate it in a grand style, not only to mark the day, but to emphasize the importance of preserving the environment. Because the environment when we dey stay, now we dey stay inside. Now let we go fit take care of them. If we not take care of the environment, a lot of things will go bad, and now we go still suffer them. And you know the state right now, they do a new master plan. And the new master plan when government they do, people suppose know wetin dey happen. People supposed to they understand, say, hey, see wetin government they do, oh. See how it go take benefit us. So this road work when happen today now also to make people know, say, see wetin government they do, oh, make them still they interested, make them know wetin they happen for wetin government they do, and they can't know how to take participate.
I joined this movement today because Edo State is working under the watch of Godwin Ogasel Baseke and the Honorable Commissioner Isoke Omo. Before now, we don't even hear of this ministry. It may be existing, but the awareness was not there. But today, the awareness is all over, everywhere, through the flyer, the voice and the noise that went around the town today. Because cleanliness is next to godliness. Everybody is now aware how you take care of your environment. You wake up, you have to, first of all, take care of your own self, the environment you live in, the streets, the gutters, the marketplace, your workplace. They have to be clean. And when these are clean, you are bringing health to yourself. You not go spend money where you're not supposed to spend. If you are driving and you throw away sachet water, empty sachet water anywhere, you think you have done yourself good. No, it will bounce back to you. Erosion, you can see erosion everywhere. You say government, what is government doing? You are the cause of this, because all the nonsense you are throwing, the corn shaft and everything you are throwing inside that gutter, by the time the rain falls, it will bring the dirt back to you in your own house, and there's flood everywhere. So I beg the Edo people, make una dey wake up, dey clean your environment. And again, before you buy land, make you come to this ministry, come get approval, let the ministry know that you want to buy land. Because the rate of land grabbing, me I've been a victim, 2 times victim, nobody to cry to. But today there is awareness, everybody don't know, say if they grab your land, you know where to go to.
Nigeria.